Josette Togonon, HMS 1B. So, I'm here to discuss my answer in Mathematics Output-Based Assessment 2 Finals. So, this is the score and F. So, 3 students got 11 to 15 score, 7 students got 16 to 20 score, 10 students got 21 to 25 score, 6 students got 26 to 30 score, 9 students got 31 to 35 score, 3 students got 36 to 40 score, 5 students got 41 to 45 score, 5 students got 46 to 60 score. So let's move this LV. So how to get the LV? So we need to minus this to 0.5. So 11 minus 0.5 equal 10.5. Then 16 minus 0.5 equal 15.5. 21 minus 0.5 equal 20.5 and following so on. Ganun lang din hanggang matapos. Then the x is, how to get the x? We need to add and divide. So let's solve this. 11 plus 15 equal 26. Divide 2 equal 13. And 16 plus 20 equal 36. Divide 2 equal 18. And following so on. Ganun lang din gagawin nyo hanggang matapos. And then the fx, how to get the fx? We need to multiply the x and the f. So, 13 times 3 equal 39. 18 times 7 equal 126. 23 times 10 equal 230 and following so on. And then, the cx is we need to add. So, first is copy. Then, 3 plus 7 equal 10. 10 plus 10 equal 20. And 20 plus 6 equal 26 and following so on. So, how to get this? And we need to add. So, 3 plus 7 plus 10 plus 6 plus 9 plus 3 plus 5 plus 5 equal 48. So, that's why we have 48 here. So, this EF, how to get the EF? We need to add the FX. So, 39 plus 26 plus 230 plus 168 plus 297 plus 114 plus 215 plus 240 equal 1,429. So, let's solve this mean. So, this is the formula. We need to follow the formula. And we need to solve the 1,429 divided by 48 equal 29.77. So, we need to know the 29.77. So, we need to circle this. Next is median. We need to follow the formula. So, this is the formula. This is the bracket. So, we need to solve this first. So, LBMC plus bracket 48 over 2 or 48 divide 2 minus CF over FMC bracket equals CW. Then, how to get the 24? Because 48 divide 2 is equal to 24. So, how to get the 20? Because of the CF. This is the CF. Nasa taas ng 26. So next is solve this. The next is LBMC plus bracket 24 minus 20 over 6 bracket equal 5, which is the commutative frequency or CW. So how to get the 5? Because of 16 minus 11, that's why we have 5. Next is 25.5. Why we have 25.5 here? Because of LB, 25.5. Then, plus bracket 4 over 6 equal 5. And then, 25.5 plus bracket 0.66 bracket equal 5. And then 25.5 plus 33. How we get the 33 here? So, because of 0.66 times 5, that's why we have 3.3 here. And then the last step is we need to add 25.5 plus 3.3 is equal to 28.8. So next, the mode. So this is the formula. LBMC plus bracket D1 over D1 plus D2 bracket CW. So this is the LBMC 25.5, copy here, plus bracket 4. D1 is the 4. Why we have 4? Because 10 minus 6 equals 4. And over D1, 4 plus D2. D2 is 6 minus 9 equals 3. That's why 3 the D2. And bracket equal 5. So, next, copy here. Again, 25.5 plus bracket 4 over or divide 7. So, why we have 7 here? Because 4 plus 3 or D1 plus D2, that's why we have 7 here, bracket 5. So, next is 25, copy again, 25.5 plus brackets. Why we have 0.57 here? Because 4 divide 7 is equal 0.57 bracket 5. So next is the LBMC, which is 25.5 plus 2.85 is equal to 28.35. And that's the move.